Bitcoin is continuing its move down, just like we talked about over the past week or so. As the price drops, even if we see jagged moves up and down, I still expect a downtrend until we hit structure support right around the level of $72,500. Once we reach this level, there is one signal that we can use to help predict whether the price is going to bounce or collapse. Once we have that data, we can use our other indicators to maximize our potential profit regardless of what happens next. Let me show you how this works because it's incredibly powerful. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. Yesterday, we had our Inner Circle live Zoom hangout, and guys, it was a ton of fun to see all of our members there. Lots of great information, and if you missed it, the recording can be found on the monthly Zoom call tab on the tradeconfident.io website. For our members, we have a future forecast released earlier this week. We're going down, Captain, and it's talking about how we're managing a potential crash in our $1.7 million portfolio. For our members, we also provide the maximum $800 off during our Memorial Day sale. Don't miss out. Links to our membership are in the description down below. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows, the TC top and bottom finder, the Pro Trade Manager, and the volume bubbles indicator. As the price drops, and once we touch structure support right around the value of $72,500, I'm going to be watching the volume bubbles closely. If we get a green volume bubble, it is likely that we are going to bounce to the upside. If we get a red volume bubble, it's likely that we're going to crash downwards. Historical data confirms this. Once we saw a red volume bubble on the previous bear flag pattern that Bitcoin was trading through, this is where we finally saw the crash to the downside, and that's what I'm looking for this time around as well. Once we see the price drop somewhere around that level, it is decision time. If I personally see a red volume bubble, I'm expecting a crash, and it's not guaranteed, but it is likely. And when that happens, I'm looking for a move into fear or max fear. Once I see the price turn bright turquoise or bright green, that is the point that we are at or very close to the bear market based on historical data. Now, if we get fear or max fear with a green dot from the Pro Trade Manager, this significantly increases the likelihood that we have found the bottom. Add a buy or a strong buy signal in from the TC top and bottom finder with those three to get 3 total confirmations. Guys, we are almost guaranteed a move up. Let's take a look at historical data back here. And in the 2022 bear market, when we saw the price of Bitcoin drop into fear at the same time as a green dot, this called the exact bottom of the bear market before a 700% move up. Whenever we got fear or max fear with a green dot and a buy or strong buy signal, these were also fantastic entry points. Now in the 2018 bear market, the story repeats. Fear, green dot, the absolute bottom before a 2000% bull market. Green dot and buy with fear or max fear, or green dots with buy and strong buy in fear. These were also fantastic entry opportunities, and you can see from the historical data how powerful the combination of these indicators truly are. Now, if we get a green volume bubble, we're just looking for a bounce to the upside. I'll show you where you can maximize your profit. If we get a green volume bubble, this is likely to be a bounce. You can make a long trade entry, but be sure to manage your risk. We like to use a series of buy limits to buy any crashes that happen and increase our profit potential on the way up. We call this the buy limit strategy or the ladder strategy, and it's worked great for us. Either way, these indicators are helping you find your profit. Again, nothing's guaranteed, but a green or red volume bubble is likely to tell you which direction the market is going to head. If we get a red one, if the price drops as expected, I want you to be looking for fear or max fear with a green dot and a buy or strong buy signal. To make sure you don't miss it, I'm going to help you set some alerts real quick. Go to the alerts tab, create alert. First, The volume bubbles look for a large buy volume. Once per bar close and click create. And volume bubbles, we're setting a large sell volume. Once per bar close and click create. These are helping you tell, again, at that structure support, what is likely to happen next. As long as we're expecting a drop, the next alerts I'm setting are for the market cycle highs and lows for a fear alert and another one for max fear. Next, Pro Trade Manager, just keep it at a long entry, short take profit. Once per bar close and click create. Last, under the TC top and bottom finder, I want to see a buy signal, or from the TC top and bottom finder, a strong buy signal. All of these combine to find the best potential entry opportunity to maximize profit from the bear market bottom and the start of the bull market. I want you to have these indicators on your chart, and if you don't, you could be missing out on hundreds or even thousands of dollars in profit as the bull market takes off. Don't miss out. Our members get access to these indicators for up to $800 off for our Memorial Day sale, on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast, Zoom calls, and more. Links are in the description down below. Membership is the second link. Click that and it'll bring you to our sign up page where we're giving you 25% off your first month. That's less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicators tab, click reveal member coupon, write down what it shows you, check out on Gumroad. I want this, market cycle highs and lows, add that to cart, volume bubbles, add that to cart, top and bottom finder, add that one to cart. These are all the indicators we showed you in this video. Enter your coupon code for $200 off each, $800 off total, fill in your information, click pay, and you are good to go. With that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for the future forecast episode, the Memorial Day sale, and the Zoom call recording. Don't miss out.